Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix external hard drive not showing up or detected in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on start. Now here type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Run as administrator. Now here copy and paste this command line I will give in description. So copy and paste and press enter. You will see this window. Click on advanced and check this box. Apply repairs automatically. Then click on next. Now wait for a few seconds. Now click on enable. Now once this is complete, close it and restart your system. Still guys, you are facing problems, so you can try second method. Click on start and search control panel. Press Windows key plus R. Now here type control panel. Click on OK. Now here select view by as large icons. Here click on power options. Then change plan settings. Then click on change advanced power settings. In this box guys, you have to expand USB settings. Then USB selective suspend settings. Click on OK. Now make disabled. Then apply. Then click on OK. Now close it and restart again. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve external hard drive not showing up or detected in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment any method work for you or not.